Hello everybody, thank you for joining me today. My name is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations. So we are working on part 3 of our little flip flap folio here. And it is a little Halloween project that I decided to start working on. I am getting very excited for the Halloween season, even though it is still July, but we are quickly approaching August, and there is Halloween starting to trickle into some of the stores. So you know that Halloween is coming quickly. And if you don't start doing your Halloween projects now, before you know it, Christmas will be upon us and you won't get any Halloween or fall items crafted. So you have to start early. So I decided this year that I was going to start at the very end of July, starting to do fall and Halloween projects. So plus I'm also going to be doing a collaboration with my friend Toni over at Toni Witchy Arts and Crafts, which I will put a link to her channel down below. Please go head over and show her some love. She is still over in the 500 subscriber range. Really want to get her up above 1,000 so that she can finally get monetized. But so if you can, please head over to her channel. She does a lot of cards and she does amazing things with paper. She's a very talented artist. But we're gonna do an October daily that she decided that she wanted to do. So I jumped on board and said, you know what, I'm gonna join you and I'm gonna do the best that I can do. And I'm trying to figure out kind of now what kind of projects I'm gonna do. So I think it's gonna be fun, and we're gonna do some different types of projects in the month of October. So I'm kind of excited to see what I can come up with for the month of October. But going back to this, so far what we've done is I created this little flip flap, and this is the front cover. I did the front cover off camera, but it was basically an index card that I decorated and I attached onto the little flip flap that I had created in part 1. As you can see, it's collaged. And then in video number 2, we did the back cover and we made our little guy here, the collector, who moves, and we have a little journaling spot for him. We have a little journaling card, and we had this pocket here that was made from book pages. And then of course we have our little piece that flips. I'm gonna put this back here. That's how this looks here. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to work on this next page here. Let me take these out because I don't want these to get ruined. Okay, so let me put these off to the side. Let me put these over here. All right, so when you open this up, this is where this is going to go. But I want to work on this here. I have a whole bunch of these weekly time records that I coffee dyed, which I'm hoping to start selling. And I have a whole bunch that I want to sell. But I want to put this as a flip down, because I want this to be able to flip down. Okay, so I'm going to attach this to this piece here. So this is going to attach to this side here. But what I want to do is I want to make this a pocket. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I want to just glue the sides here because I kind of want to go in order. I figured this is going to be the easiest way to do this. Because this is not easy to do. I got it. And you know how fast this takes, so I have to do this like this. Okay. Okay. Of course, it didn't take. I don't have enough glue. Okay. I'm going to put some along the bottom here because we don't want our stuff to fall out. Okay. Okay, good. Let me just glue this a little bit more here. I just wanted to make sure I had this in the right place. Okay, so then we have our flip down. Awesome. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up just a little bit. mean, I could even this out. I kind of like the idea of that being a ticket. All right, let me glue this on here. I like this being glued onto here. Wait, I want it to go this way. Nah, we gotta go, we'll just do it this way. I just want to be able to pull that and then that stick under there. I just don't want it to get stuck, that's all. Okay. I just like the way that looks. Okay. Okay, so then you have that, and then I think what I'm going to do is we're going to add some paper to the front here. Let me see. I don't want to obscure the whole ticket, but I like that. Let's tear this. I don't want a straight edge. So I'm shooting this on the same day because I want to get a couple of videos posted for this. I want to see, maybe I can even get this all done in one shot. Who knows? Maybe. Because tomorrow is my husband's birthday. And then he's off for a couple of days. It's his days off, his normal days off. Now, I don't know, do I want to... I'm gonna leave that just as it is, only because I like the way it looks. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this part next. Okay, we'll see if we can get these two done. So this is gonna go here.